If you want to cast the YouTube application into your TV on Poco C85, just go for the YouTube application. Now, in my case, I have to log in. There we go. And here we have to click on this icon at the top. Click to link with a TV code if you don't have your device over here. But in the most cases, you just have to wait until your TV appears in this place. And you have to also make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network like on your TV. Just be patient. If for some reason it is not working, you can reboot your phone, or you can use this link with a TV code. So here there's short information where you can locate that code on your TV. So basically in the YouTube application, by going to the settings, you can find a TV code. It's like 12 or 14 characters long. So it will look like this. Take a look. There we go. And now we can click on the link and you should be connected automatically.